Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do the steering wheel mode on your dashboard. It's quite an easy process, nothing too much really. All you need is a Y lead, basically a splitter. So you plug that into your channel 1 as you would normally. Now it splits into the steering wheel servo, which that will go behind your dashboard. You don't need any special servos, just a basic cheap servo. That one will go to your actual steering, just like that. Get a longer screw on the steering wheel servo, then you attach your steering wheel right. Plug your ESC into your port number 2, channel 2. On that ESC, that's a 30 amp ESC, only a cheap one, but they do work great in a small growers. Right, male goes into the motor, female to the battery, and always use an IPO alarm when you're using micro batteries. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Nice, easy mode, don't do nothing special really. Okay.